Evolution usually makes sense, but this looks like a glitch in the matrix. This is Tanystropheus. Its neck wasn't just long, it was longer than its entire body and tail combined. It probably used that neck to ambush prey from the shore without getting wet, using front teeth that interlocked like a zipper to trap slippery squid and fish. But being a living fishing rod was a death sentence. We found skulls perfectly snipped off. Predators like Nothosaurus would bite the neck and leave the head because there was no meat on it. It was such a disaster that nature never tried it again. Once Tanystropheus went extinct, this design was deleted from history forever. That's why